So, Mariska, tell us what are the sort of main points that you would need to know if you're importing or exporting about marine insurance. Let's give them the quick cheat sheet. Insurance Coffee with Nick, welcome. We've got Mariska in the studio today.
Thanks, Nicola.
Marine aviation goods and transit expert, but today we're going to be talking about marine insurance. Mariska is going to kind of run through the do's and don'ts and what you need to look out for. Yeah, so Mariska, we were talking a little bit offset.
Yes. I was telling you how important it is. If you really think how interesting marine insurance is, with the amount of goods that are coming into our country, leaving our country, it's billions of rands worth of goods that is in transit. Yes.
Pounds, euros, because it's cross-border.
Exactly. It's our goods in transit by sea, by land, by rail, by air. Doesn't matter in which way it's coming from or going to, we have a policy that can insure it. So I asked my client about their sum insured, what the sum insured is supposed to cater for at claim stage, what you want that sum insured to cater for. At claim stage, your freight forwarder has already charged you for your clearing and all. Exactly. And whether
landing
or not
costs, VAT, all these things can be insured.
And whether or not your goods get there safely, that is still an element that will be towards your account. So is your sum insured catering for all of those overheads? Can we claim for that? Of course we can. I asked them about their commodities. That's very important that you include every single thing that you
transport. So what you're actually shipping.
Exactly.
Okay. So you might have 6, 7, 9 things that you actually are shipping, and you got to make sure that you're actually covered for that.
The subject matter, that's right. Then I asked them about where is it coming from and where is it going to, where is the risk transferring, because that is important for me to know between the buyer and the seller.
So explain that risk transfer is who is actually responsible if a claim occurs.
Exactly right.
Okay, is it the buyer or the seller? So if it's from Shanghai to Durban Harbour, are you covered from the factory to your destination into your warehouse? That's the most important thing, is that when are you covered for the leg.
Yes, and then also to what basis of valuation we need to insure the goods. So there's a lot of things that a broker would ask a client in order to cover all the gaps.
Okay, so obviously if I'm covered, the basis of evaluation, is it inclusive of my shipping costs, my freight costs, my VAT, my duties?
Are we buffering it up to cater for any fluctuations between
the rand, dollar? Exactly.
I always say, paperwork pays for the claims. So we'll guide you, make sure that you've got all the paperwork ready so that when you submit your claim, there's no questions asked and your claim is processed quick and easy.
There's a lot of things there. We're only touching a few, guys, and this is why you need a qualified marine insurance broker. Click on the link below and get someone out like Mariska from Mont Blanc that can help you navigate those waters so that you're actually covered correctly when it comes to having a successful claim in marine insurance.
We'll be your life jacket.
There we go. Thank you, Mariska.
Thanks, Nicola, for having me.
Click on this video. It's right here. The one that's going to teach you about marine insurance.